something very important that's going on the daily Bitcoin chart, signaling a big sell-off happening. We can see that buyers are exiting the market. There's at least a few reasons why, which I will go over within the video. You can see the open interest. We also go over all the news for the day. We have some BitBoy crypto, the real BitBoy crypto news. We have some other news. So buckle up and let's start. So the first thing we've noticed is that in the last few days, pretty much since mid-August, after the dump, we have been accumulating from 25K, we pumped to 28, and we pumped once to 27K. So the question is, what happens now? Well, you can see right here that we have a divergence going on. CDV, or basically the orders that are coming in right here, you can see that the CDV is going up, meaning there are more buy orders. That is correct until now, but the price has a lower high than here, but a higher high on the other side, which is a divergence. And the other thing is we have the same divergence on the order open interest. Basically, the greens are orders that were opened and orders that were closed. So we had a bunch of orders opened here, but now we're starting to see orders close. So this right here was the high. People managed to sell off here, and what I expect to happen from here is I expect a dump to at least right here. So this is a very probable trade in my opinion, something that I will be doing. If you want to trade and have no fees, just go on my profile on Twitter or in the description of any of my videos. If you join in, you can see I have 0 fees in the link in the description down below. I'm building a new account here. I have some screenshots from my trades on Twitter. You should probably follow me there. By the way, the video is no financial advice. Hit the like button. Is it true? CZ Binance, I couldn't find this tweet on your timeline. This is where scammers shine. So this is an interesting thing. We cannot, it seems it's removed or deleted afterward, but basically CZ Binance said this is where scammers shine. Asking for donation is not a good way to redeem your sale when you hold more than 650K. So basically, BitBoy asked for donations because the high group or whatever allegedly got everything, all of his assets plus his Lambo. So CZ is saying that he actually has $650,000 with them. Why is this an issue? For Binance, because they're not allowed to say that. That's customer privacy. I guess this is why it's deleted. But yeah, if he has the money but he's still begging for money, that would be bad. Hopefully that's not the case, but we'll see. Overall, the community's understanding of the situation is they don't really like that's a fake tweet. Pass it on. Is it a fake one? Can someone tell us? Although I believe BitBoy is a scammer, but CZ would never post something like that. Yeah, it might be fake. Hopefully it's fake. If Binance goes bust, Bitcoin is going to $1. This is very important. They are a company that has a smart chain. They have a news organization. If FTX dump was impactful, and FTX, like, people use FTX, but they don't use it as much as they use Binance. We can pull off the numbers. We had a 26% dump. If Binance has 4x the volume, we can expect Bitcoin to go to $1. Absolutely. Below 10K, for sure, easily. We went to 15K from 21. That was an insane dump. Did we have divergence back then? That's an interesting topic. Yeah, we had an divergence on open interest. Look at this. So technically it was a short as well, but probably from, whales were just opening up their shorts. As you can see, whales opening shorts right here, and people close their longs. So we have a lot of closed orders right here, and a bunch of closed orders right here and here. And here are liquidations because they're just closed orders. So we have the divergence there. We don't have the divergence on CDV. Yeah, not really. Almost, maybe on some exchanges. We might have had it. This is something important. That's why you should need to check multiple exchanges. The order book on Binance Futures. So let's start with this. Well, more buys than sales. We can see 800k versus 700 and then 600. So that's yeah, we're more bullish than we are bearish right now in the short term. But yeah, we are very likely to dump. Make no mistake here. This video is obviously no financial advice, but we are very likely to dump. I don't believe rooting for Binance to fail is a good strategy in general. The BRICS alliance is advancing in its quest to dethrone the US dollar currency from its global reserve status. A recent report from the Goldman Sachs indicates that the US GDP could drop to third place by 2075. I don't know if that will happen. I remember a few years ago, China was on track to basically replace US as a global economy, but yeah, there were a lot of things that happened afterwards with TikTok and stuff like that. You can look it up. So I don't think anyone will replace the US. In general, they have more cars too. If you just calculate growth, yeah, you can with the same stats you can calculate that Bitcoin going to a million in the next 2 bull runs. Stablecoin issuer Tether ventures into AI with Northern Data in 427 million NVIDIA chips purchased. The Moon, a Tether subsidiary in which Northern Group acquired a stake earlier this year, has purchased just 400 million of NVIDIA chips to generate AI cloud computing. That's very, very interesting. If they actually manage to pull it off, this can be very big. Bitcoin 87% drop in 2021 was caused by Sam Bankman-Fried's Alameda ex-employee claims. So why? One of the reasons is, the event itself. But on October 2021, Bitcoin traders on the cryptocurrency exchange Binance US were left scrambling after the asset plunged within minutes with no apparent reasons. So yeah, that was 2021. I remember that. So Bitcoin managed to get it to as low as 8K. There was no volume. Someone market sold a lot of currency at the time where most people were not online. They quickly bounced back. It was a bug, they say, the fat finger. The story of how misplaced decimal point at Alameda research caused a market crash. Well, man, all the stories around Alameda are, we messed up, but this is because we are not prepared to do our jobs. They're just trying to play everything as incompetent. So this is the Bitcoin update. If you're interested in any other update, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're watching this video in the future, let me know if this trade played out. It is right here. This is how I'm placing it, and I will be using MEXC to trade it. I actually have other stuff that I am long right now and short. I'm trying to hedge my trades. So yeah, love you guys. See you next one. Bye.